Other fitment was with the other tires was much better, but I mean this fitment right here looks absolutely perfect. Yo, one sad thing about today's video, you guys see this awesome fitment? It's definitely gonna change because this sidewall is it's a 50, so we're going down to like a 35, so we're gonna have that much of a gap. We're gonna be monster trucking out here. It is something very highly needed. This car needs new tires because they are freaking dry rotted, and I'm not trying to die out here. That's right, my dad's gonna go with me in case I gotta leave the car there. But yeah, today Liz is getting new tires. Also, a subscriber sent me out this really cool thing. I've never showed you guys, but a lot of people don't do this, but I am. I'm gonna turn off the car before I put gas. Also, regarding the horrific and just retarded wheel gap that we're gonna have after I get these new tires, the car is on coilovers, so today we might actually adjust the coilovers, make them lower, make the car even lower than it already is, so we can actually clear that wheel gap a good amount. I'm sorry, but I just can't be running around with like a 3-shoe wheel gap. I just can't. Don't know why he honked, but man, you gotta love a Shelby. I'm not a big Mustang fan, but Shelby's. Alright, we made it, but boys, I'm so excited right now. I don't know if you can see it over there, but the red 2015 and up 370Z Nismo. Unlike mine's a Bismo. What's that face? I really hope whoever's gonna drive that car back there is ready for like the worst clutch in the world. It's gonna be so funny. I wish I had a camera instead of filming, but I don't. And I don't think they're gonna finish it now, so I'm probably gonna have to go back home and then come back.
What year's your car? 292. 1992. You got the twin turbo or is it regular?
Oh, the twin turbo. Yeah, I'm rebuilding it right now. It's like a project.
I used to have one when they were brand new.
Oh, really? Oh,
yeah, my favorite car was a Conquest TSI.
Oh.
Okay.
Had one of those in '88.
Hello.
Don't know where one is. I didn't find out it was for sale. Just want to buy it and fix it up and give it to my grandson.
That's pretty awesome. Yeah. Weird, but yeah. I swear you just can't make things up at this point. It wouldn't be a normal Danny Z video if something just didn't go wrong. Welcome to the daily life and the daily vlog. I've seen this on Instagram so many times, but I've never caught it on the vlog. It's CA. Oh, that's so sick. So happy I'm daily vlogging. I was actually able to get in the vlog for you boys. I've seen it a couple times before, but never on the vlog, so that's pretty cool. And just looks so killer. Actually, I'm gonna park next to it. And there's the Fismo. I can't do that to him. That's a real Nismo. It looks so clean. I think my favorite color in an original Nismo is probably that red. It looks so clean. So if you have one out there that color, then kudos to you. And we're back. Okay. I mean, gotta lower it more. But not too bad. I thought it was gonna look worse. But one thing that I'm gonna show you guys when we get home, I'm gonna pay for this. I'm gonna pay for this real quick, and I'll show you. The gap isn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be, though. I mean, you can still fit like 2 fingers, and my other fitment was with the other tires was much better. But I mean, it's not that bad. But dude, you know the biggest thing? I hadn't even said it. How it drives, bro. It drives so good, like a complete different car. But then again, my other tires were dry rotted, so it bounced so much, and now it's just smooth. Guess what my name is? Minter Johnny. Like, who's Minter Johnny, bro? I got there like, you're Johnny, right? Like, I'm Danny. And then they still print out Johnny.
No, Johnny.
They curve my wheels and they call me Johnny. Those tail lights though. 2 things I noticed. One, the car rides, like I said, I'm not playing around like a complete different car. And 2, it just looks so good, bro. 300s look so sick. I love this car. Bro, I'm so happy I'm letting him drive this right now. It looks so good. And it just sounds so deep. Like, you can't go wrong with the sound of a turbo engine. You know what? I'm a great friend.
Scraping there.
I don't know what was funnier, your face or how the car scraped. I ruined my clip. I was about to say, oh, look at this Lamborghini Diablo coming in. And then the car scraped. Look at Jose. Hey. Alright, so we're finally gonna, well, not finally. So it's day 2. We're gonna go ahead, lower the car a little bit, adjust the coilovers. I've never done this, Jose's never done this, but shouldn't be that hard. Hopefully these work though. A friend let me borrow this, so but it should work. Can't even find the sizing, but they are right there, 255, 35, 18. The previous ones I had were 245, 50, 18. So like I said, the wall's smaller, but yes sir. Unlock this one at the very top, not the middle one, and then we gotta get the bottom one.
Well, what'd I tell you, man?
You can use the breaker bar?
Yeah, dude. There you go.
You got it?
Yeah.
What? Alright, so use the breaker bar if you can't get it. That 4.5.
We'll put the 305s off of my because on the back here.
Yo, you know these cars can feel like 275 and all that. Bro, it still looks the same. What a fail. What's the other side at?
4.
Okay.
So the other side is like sitting right there.
I'm thinking like literally like half an inch then. Oh, now we're getting something. Right?
Right here, you're down at 4. It just depends. We didn't come down too far. This lip's a little over 4. Look.
4 fingers, dude. They messed you up with that little wall.
Yeah, I know. That's your boy. That's your boy that messed me up.
Yo, this fitment actually looks so sick. I really like it. All right, so we just finished. There's a slight, well, not problem, but something we're noticing.
It is a problem.
It is a problem. All right. This fitment right here looks absolutely perfect. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it looks great. So remember this. Remember that?
Look at how even the top is with it. You can see that, right? Yeah, and then
I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but this side is just a lot more in, like noticeably in. All right, we're not gonna mess with it. You can't really adjust it much. We actually don't know what we're doing this time. But the fitment on the other side is perfect though.
bro, picture, that's the good side.
I'm just gonna film this side from now on, not the other side. Now, time for a quick drive just to see how it obviously drives. It's hitting like this, it's right on it, dude. Oh wow, that's not good. Cause that controls, that's for like the bumper.
That's the whole thing, once you start moving, then it kind of adjusts, you know?
Bro, are you sure that's the wheel, not the bottom of the car? Do you want to get out of the corner and... I don't feel like that's the bottom of the car. That sounds like the bottom of the car. Check on this side. Oh, it's not touching anymore. Okay, wait, stop right there. Get that out of the way. Okay, go. Yeah, keep cutting. Okay, straight back, straight back. Oh. Yo, it's not hitting. I'm so happy right now. Camera's, oh, he almost told. The camera's about to die. Good? Yeah, we good. All right, you can take that one. I'll just take this one. We're good. Yo, that car. I'm such a good friend. Yo, it's not rubbing at all right now. I am so happy with the help of a hammer and fixing the suspension.
I think that was full boost. That was 45, 5 grand.
Alright, and we're back on the couch with my messy hair, same jacket. Ending this vlog, it's like 12 at night right now. I just finished editing this video. It's gonna go up tomorrow for you boys, for you guys, so I don't want to wake anybody up. Anyway, so this vlog was really fun. Not super happy about how it looks, like the fitment wise. Definitely gotta figure something out if I have to lower it pretty easily. Anyways, keep supporting these vlogs. The more you guys like and share, the more we can do on this channel. Hope you guys are enjoying it. I'm having a crap ton of fun, and if you can't tell, alright, peace out. Camera's about to die. Alright, that's a wrap.